അപ്പം ഇന്ന് ഞാനിവിടെ വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് എൻ്റെ ഫ്രണ്ടിൻ്റെ വീട്ടിലാണ്, നെയ്ബറിൻ്റെ വീട്ടിൽ. അപ്പം നെയ്ബറിൻ്റെ ഹൗസൊക്കെ ക്രിസ്മസിന് ഭയങ്കര അടിപൊളിയായിട്ട് ഡെക്കറേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ബ്രിട്ട എന്നാണ് പേര്. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് ഇന്ന് ബ്രിട്ടയുടെ വീട്ടിൽ ക്രിസ്മസ് വിശേഷങ്ങളൊക്കെ പങ്കുവെക്കാം. അപ്പം ഷീസ് വെരി ഗുഡ് പാർട്ടി പ്ലാനർ ആൻഡ് ഡെക്കറേറ്റർ ഒക്കെയാണ്. ഭയങ്കര വേഴ്സറ്റൈൽ പേഴ്സൺ ആണ്. ഇന്ന് ബ്രിട്ടയുടെ ഫാമിലിയായിട്ട് പരിചയപ്പെടാം. How are you? Happy holidays.
Happy holidays to you too.
I'm so happy to be here. The house looks so festive.
Why, thank you, and hello to everyone back home.
So ബ്രിട്ടയുടെ വീട്ടിലാണ് നമ്മളിപ്പം. ബ്രിട്ടയുടെ വീട്ടിലുള്ള ഡെക്കറേഷൻസ് ഒക്കെ ഞാൻ കാണിച്ചു തരാം. ബട്ട് ആദ്യമായിട്ട് we'll go to the dining table. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
So, what's your theme for this Christmas, Britta?
So I used this was my great-grandmother's china that I inherited and got to use. So I decided to go with this organza, and I put Christmas lights underneath.
Oh, that's a cool idea. String lights. Oh, the Christmas lights actually, not the string lights.
They're icicle lights.
Yeah, icicles. Yeah.
So I put under there. And then set it, and then I just have silver poinsettias with the silver napkins. And then I found these guys at Costco, and I won't
believe that. They look so cool.
And because this is our second Christmas in Florida, I incorporated the palm leaves from the tree outside, just to make it a little bit more Christmassy. And then so then I just have it plugged in over here, and this is my table this year.
So the whole family is coming, Britta?
Yes,
parents and everyone. Where are they actually?
I have my mother and my grandmother in Atlanta. They're coming down. And then my husband's parents live nearby in Holiday.
Oh, cool. So everybody is coming.
Yes.
That's nice. And this china, you said?
This is my grandmother's china. Yeah, this is my first year.
Oh, really? 3 generations?
3 generations, yep. And it's my first time having it.
She keeps it really nice, actually. It looks brand new.
It really does, yes. And then there's like the
so
yeah.
And I like the wall. How did you do that?
It's actually just a vinyl, so it's kind of like a sticker, and we'll just peel it off in January.
The house looks so pretty.
Thank you. Thanks for coming by.
Yeah. So this is like a table for 8?
8 right now.
Oh, you have extra 2 chairs too, so it can be 10.
And the table
so
will
pretty.
extend. We can put
that extra leaf. Yeah. I love her china. She has good taste.
Yeah, it's cute.
Right? It's
Thank
like
goodness.
any time you can use it. So pretty.
And then I liked this. So all the china matches. And then she gave me this, and I thought it went with the set, and it doesn't.
But she still.
But okay, it's Disney.
Oh, that's so cute.
So that's kind of fun. You sit.
Amy! Oh, so cute. Hi, Amy. You have a beautiful tree here. Can you tell me how you decorated this? And
sure. Some of the ornaments are, something that my children decorated, or things
from school, and
personal things, or from our wedding, or
where is the wedding one?
Here's the baby's first Christmas.
Oh, that's so cute.
Here's the wedding one.
Oh, so pretty.
But I went and got all this fur from the fabric store because I wanted a big furry tree skirt and I couldn't find
Yeah,
one.
always the skirts are small.
So small, so I just bought the fabric.
Oh, you got the fabric
Just went
and
down
you
the
cut.
fabric,
Oh, okay.
Did that. And then I try and keep it in the color scheme. My youngest daughter, she loves flamingos, so we got these.
White flamingos.
This year, well, because I didn't want pink.
Yeah. No, it's hard to see a white flamingo, right?
Yeah, it's very hard.
Yeah.
Have you been to Val's Home Decor?
Val's?
Val's?
No.
I'll show you where it is. But they have these cool things that you can stick in there.
Oh, okay.
The ribbons and really beautiful things.
I saw a new store near Clearwater, US 19 called Homemakerson. Oh, this is so
These things,
pretty.
just like bunches of these.
Val's in flow. You here? I never. Oh, okay.
And then you just sort of like stick them in.
Yeah, I need some fillers for my tree.
Yeah, these great stuff. And I got these cardinals from there.
Oh, that's so cute.
And then anything like these aren't even ornaments. They're just little things that sometimes
Snowflakes.
I use on my table, or you just stick it in there.
Yeah, I like the white and red theme. Actually, that red pops up.
Thank you.
Cute. A lot of birdies. This is a different bird. This one, sparrow.
The dove.
So, what are you gonna show me next? Okay, I'll ask you something else. What's your favorite thing to do on Christmas?
My favorite thing to do on Christmas is probably drive around and look at the lights with the kids.
Yeah, I like that too.
And then, I found this year was my first year getting these.
Yeah, I noticed that too.
They're just pillowcases.
Oh, they're pillowcases.
So I just put my own pillows in them.
Yeah, because usually Christmas pillows are expensive.
So these are just cases.
Yeah.
So I was pretty excited about that.
I got a tiny pillow for Thanksgiving. It was like $10.
they're
A
expensive.
tiny one. Yeah. So.
Oh, and then I did this too. Because this...
Okay. I will give you a better ornament, Britta.
Thank you for my ornament. It's red. It goes beautifully on my tree.
Yeah, see?
And look, it reflects the light.
I knew it. So pretty. What is that?
That's me.
That's you?
In Mommy's belly.
Oh.
There's another ornament right here.
Let me see yours.
That's Santa Claus. Santa Mama.
Oh, let me
I
see.
think you're in the belly there too.
Yeah.
Which one's your favorite ornament?
This is me.
Oh.
My favorite ornament on this tree.
I know. Oh, the
Mine
I thought it's the flamingo. I thought
And
it
I
was.
like this. I like the glass ones because they look
Yeah,
so
I like the
beautiful.
glass one too.
Yeah, I like
Is
them.
it an angel?
Yeah.
So pretty.
Where did we get this one?
Oh,
From the
Captain.
cruise ship.
Oh,
Disney
nice.
Mommy, can you want me? We know because it has a Mickey on there.
I love Disney Cruise. Which one you went? The Dream?
That one.
Fantasy.
Fantasy.
Mommy, and I went on the one that has the aqua dog. Look at that red
Oh,
one.
yeah.
Look at that one.
Oh, that's so cute too.
It's a picture of all of us.
Ah, nice. See, she knows everything, right?
You know everything.
You know to pick all ornaments.
Oh, the snowflake's hiding.
Snowflakes hiding?
Yeah, you can tell they like to help because
Yeah.
there's so many ornaments on the bottom where they can reach.
Yeah, they like to help too, right? Does Amy help?
No, Emmy just sits around and walks around. Yeah.
And
so
she loves to
time-
pose.
She does love to pose.
Yeah, she's a little
She thinks
poser.
she's fancy.
I like to pose too.
Oh, can you pose
Yeah.
quickly? Oh, nice.
I can pose too.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. So nice.
So I can make air go into my
That's pretty.
Me too.
Can you show me? Can you show me? What is that? It's like a...
It's like a pop something.
Oh, you got that too.
One up there, right there.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
And
Don't...
we got 12 red birds.
Cardigans, right? They are like red cardigans.
Yeah.
So pretty.
1, 2,
Yeah.
3,
Your mama
4,
did.
5.
So who did all the decoration?
Sailor, I think she's
Who
talking to you.
hang all the ornaments?
Mom, Chris, and me.
You did too. Good job. I like the big silver.
Daddy
one.
was just up.
I should just sing it around.
Yeah, look at the cracker. No.
Okay. What's your favorite thing about Christmas?
My favorite thing about Christmas is being with my family and my family giving me presents.
Aww. Did you write a letter to Santa? Did you?
Yes. I don't know if the elves took.
Is it like a big letter or a tiny letter?
I only had 6, but
Oh.
it was really a lot.
Oh,
Because
nice.
I said miracles and surprises, which means a lot.
Miracle.
Just
For surprises.
wow.
Let's go.
That. Bye. Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Happy December 8th. Check on that
18?
calendar. Did you say earlier 16? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
16.
Good job. Bye.
Brilliant. Okay.
Wanna get you right now. Need to take me like bomb. Heart gon' speed so cold. Splash on my feet. Wanna get you 당장. 매일 head 답답해. Wanna leave cannon or dash on your flavor. Splash on my brain. I dash on your face. But can't me so bad. You're such a slayer. Splash on my brain. I dash on your face. But can't me so bad. You're such a slayer.
Dancing on my ass like a move. Mad rat shit in my shoes. Pull up to your bed and never lose. Sip it that we're getting loose. See me now, no can take you off. Go time, beat, please take that off. Swerving on the beat, no need to get that car. Swerving on the beat, no need to get that car. I get the cash and I go hard. Spend on the cash on the fashion. Ain't gotta talk all the shit at all. Show this just let everybody talk. Show this just let everybody talk. Ooh, swerving with you. Going crazy, oh damn, I'll keep it on doing.
어젯밤만 네 생각에 잠도 못 일어 yeah. 어젯밤만 내 생각에 뭔가 잘못했어 Just care about it cause go